Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine two photos using the Snapseed application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you can tap on the open button or the plus icon to open up any image that you would like to edit. Now, once you have opened up your image, if you would like to combine this image with another one, then you can tap on the tools option at the bottom. Once you tap on this, tap on double exposure and then tap on the plus icon to add another image. Once you have chosen your image, it will be added above the image that you currently have. Just tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and now you will see that both of these images are overlaid on top of each other. In order to fix this, tap on edit stack and then tap on view edits. From here you can once again go into double exposure and use the brush icon in order to define which part of the image you would like to appear. Tap on the invert option and now highlight over the area that you want to combine with the other photo. Now this is a rough demonstration, but you can double click to zoom in and accurately apply your brush. After highlighting your desired area, once again tap on the invert option and then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. This will now combine these both images. However, it is still not fully opaque. In order to fix this, tap on double exposure once again and then tap on settings. Now tap on opacity and then change the opacity level to full. You can then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and now both of these images have been combined. You can now begin to export your image from the export option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to combine two different images on the Snapseed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.